Welcome to Crest Hammer YouTube page. This week, I take a couple-hour job and turn it into like a 6-hour job, 6-day job. About 6 days, yeah.
Blew his ACL. Got the cone off, got the stitches all healed up, finally. Pretty horrible scar, but he seems to be doing good. Little athlete. His blown ACL. He's getting back to it though.
First and foremost, I have to change the oil because a lot of the stuff I found last week or last video was broken parts that are going to put metal shavings into the oil. So I need to change the oil, put fresh oil in it, then I'll worry about charging the AC system. The AC system is basically what the stock 350 had, is the two wires that came out, ran up to here. You know, this is the sensor, the pressure sensor. I think it's only a high pressure sensor. But anyways, if it's the wrong pressure, this won't open, or this will be open. If it's a good pressure, it'll close, which will run to here. And then this is power to this compressor. If it has power, the clutch catches, it rotates, compresses it, you know, runs through the condenser back and all that fun stuff. And I have it grounded right here to the head. The other sensing line, the AC sensing line, I just ran back to the ECU. Probably tight enough. Crap. That's all from those valve seals that were the wrong ones. At least I hope it is. My new oil filter, got a Wix, and I went to O'Reilly's, so should fit this time. Little vacuum pump right here. Half hour has gone by. I'm gonna close these valves. Okay, she's been sitting like this for 2-3 hours. I don't know, a while. And she hasn't lost a single bit of vacuum. Okay, I did a few things. I opened up the throttle blade on idle just a touch because this plug last time was cracked and disgusting, and a lot of had a huge vacuum leak. Well, I'm an idiot, so let's just move on over to this dog. About 100 degrees out here, so I need a little more than that. Inside the cab, it was nice, but oh, it's much nicer now. The AC worked, but it's really working now. All right, so what I did was I was trying to, the cold plug was working, the cold refrigerant connector thingy was working, or the low pressure one was working. The high pressure one wasn't. I couldn't, it would only go to the valve and it wasn't reading any temps or anything. The pressure right here, I read somewhere you can just spin it off and put a new port in there, so I went to spin it off and it did not spin and it broke. So now I need to get all new lines from here to here, from here to here, to down in there. So that's fun. That's not extremely annoying. Someday I'll have this truck running. Well, it runs, it's just too hot to drive. I got all these pieces off. I broke that piece by trying to get it to read. And then I broke this because I couldn't loosen this And I kept sliding on this, so it stripped it, so I just had to screw it and cut it. So I got a new one of these, a new one of those. And I gotta kept the old sensor because I couldn't find, the parts store didn't have a sensor. So I gotta figure out that O-ring in there. Or maybe figure out where that O-ring that's stuck in there goes. So I put that one on the high pressure one. I got to work. That port I couldn't get to work, so I just bypassed the little plug. Got it connected straight to it. Pulling vacuum on it. I'm gonna pull vacuum for probably another 15-20 minutes, and then I'll let it sit overnight. I knew that I had both sides connected. Is I opened the high pressure one first, and both sides went into vacuum. Then I closed the high pressure one, opened the low pressure one, and then let some all the air out. Then opened the low pressure side, and the vacuum went back down. So I got both sides open. It's pulling vacuum on both sides. We're gonna let it pull vacuum for a good 30 minutes. All right, it's the next morning. The vacuum hasn't moved an inch. Pretty safe to say I could put the grill back on. Pretty sure my compressor is no good. Like, it'll bring it down, but it won't bring it like close. Gotta do some research. I said screw it, getting a new compressor. Also, go to Black Butte Beef. They sell high quality beef. They don't beat them or anything. We got vacuum almost completely vacuumed out. I'm gonna run this for, I don't know, a while, probably about 30-40 minutes. Let it sit for an hour, and then I'll put some refrigerant in it. That AC compressor looks pretty in there, hidden under my amazing little ka-chow thing. It's been about an hour and a half. Both of these are sitting at negative 30 vacuum. What is that? Inches in mercury. Yeah. So I'm going to start charging it and start the truck, start charging it, and yeah, let's put some refrigerant in this bad boy. You know.